Alrighty, guys, welcome back to October 20th trade recap. Today, I'm recording this at night actually because servers were down during AM session today, and it was a no news Monday anyway, so you should probably stay out of the markets. But let me make my face tiny. So basically, I decided to trade gold because I saw a bunch of dudes on TikTok Live trading it, and they were making bank. So I figured, why not try it? And turns out, I've only traded it for one day. It looks like gold moves really structurally well. From what I can tell, like it's really impressive. So, anyways, let's just get into the trade breakdown. So, I was on the 1 hour, right? Um, uh, basically, yeah. So there was this 1 hour gap right here, right? So we have this 1 hour gap, and gold's at all time highs. We were currently delivering from this 1 hour gap, and that pushed me to be really bullish. So let me now drop down. So here's the 1 hour gap that we're delivering from, and we're also respecting. So here's market open. So as you guys can see, we have a nice move up, respecting this. So I wanted to try to catch a little continuation trade, right? Because we were respecting this, and we can expect to take out some higher highs. So I went down to the 1 minute and saw this setup. So this right here is a 5 minute gap. This is the lowest fair value gap that I'll take. So for entries, so ideally, what would have been great would have been taking a trade off of open, but I really did not want to take a trade during this chop. And basically, what happened was we manipulated down, and this would have been a pretty ideal trade because we swept this internal liquidity, and we were targeting the upside. But I really just did not like the range that we were in. So yeah, basically we are pretty well just chopping all through here for like 20 minutes ish, and then we kind of get a move lower, sweep this internal low, and then get a rotation higher, which is great because now we should distribute up. So we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Well, really on the higher time frame, look at this. Chop, manipulation, distribution. So that's just the three. It's called the power of three. It's great for like knowing what the market wants to do for that moment in time. So I'm gonna quit yapping and show you guys setup. So as you guys can see, we create this 5 minute gap out of this coming out of here, and this was also like a little 15-minute gap, which higher time frame, higher power. So we'll just go with the 15-minute gap because who cares? And yeah, so as you guys can see, this 15-minute candle closed. Put it in 45. So it closed right here. Okay. So this right here is whenever this fair value gap was created. So what we do is we get a retest, and obviously we inverse it on the 1 minute, but that doesn't have anything to do with a 15-minute gap. There has to be a 15-minute candle to inverse for it to be a valid inverse, obviously. And while we manipulate, we're looking for inverse fair value gaps or changes to direction if we don't have an inverse fair value gap. So inverse fair value gap on the highest time frame. In this case, it was the 1 minute. We inverse this gap, target these highs, 1 to 1.3 RR, 1.13 RR. Stop at the swing low, take profit at these highs. You could have even put your take profit up here, just for funsies, but that was very risky. Look at how volatile that 1 minute candle was. But yeah, I like being in and out of trades and leveraging really high amounts of money. So yeah, I risked a little over $1,000 on this trade just because this is a just for fun eval, and absolutely banked. So pretty nice. Can't complain much. And yeah, so that was today's trade recap. Since I didn't, and I will not actually, I will be trading New York AM session tomorrow on my live or on my funded accounts. So I'll update you guys on how I do there with tomorrow's trade recap. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I haven't exactly decided if I want to mix in these gold trading sessions or trade recaps with the New York trade recaps. But I think I'm just going to make them separately. That way I can, rack up more videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.